Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use OnePay later at Walmart. First, shop for the items you want to purchase on the Walmart website, Walmart app, or in a participating Walmart store. Once you're ready to check out, review your cart and proceed to the payment section. At checkout, look for the option to pay with OnePay or OnePay later if it's available for your purchase. Select OnePay later as your payment method. If you're not already signed in, log in to your OnePay account or follow the prompts to create one. Next, provide any required information and complete the eligibility check. If approved, you'll be shown the available payment plan options and repayment schedule. Take a moment to review the payment amounts, due dates, and any applicable terms. Then select the payment plan that works best for you. After that, confirm the payment plan and complete the checkout process. Once the purchase is approved, Walmart will process your order as usual. You can manage your payments, view upcoming due dates, and track your repayment schedule through the OnePay app or website. Be sure to make your payments on time according to the agreed schedule to keep your account in good standing. After the order is completed, you'll receive confirmation details from Walmart and OnePay regarding your purchase and payment plan. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.